Hi, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change language in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change the language, we have to go to Settings menu, then we need to go down until we have General Management Options, Language and Keyboard. As you can see here, tap it once, and here we have our available options. Language. To change language, first we have to add one. So, English for example, let's use Australian English. We can set as default right now, or we can keep it current and simply have it on the list. And to change it, we simply need to tap and apply. And now our English is Canadian. Let's go back to United Kingdom English. We have all the available languages here. And to delete our language from this list, we have to go to Edit, choose one we want to delete. Let's delete Australian and remove, yes please, remove this language option. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.